Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday the 24th of November 2015. So the Federal Reserve calls a special expedited meeting and then there's no announcement. Very strange what's going on at the moment, very unusual, and there's not more I can actually say on it. Is a case of it's all back to December the 16th then, so they have a meeting behind closed doors and then nothing comes of it. So what's going on? Well, your guess is as good as mine, and this of course is reflected in the market yesterday in decision in the first part of the session, and then eventually the market breaks to the downside. But of course we had to get out waiting for the Fed. Nothing came within an hour, and that was it. It was back to the short side for the second half. So at 5:25, no news from the Fed at all for an hour, and then back to normal there. In the daily charts, you can see the market sideways, and things aren't going to improve this week, just let you know in advance, because it's Thanksgiving week for the US. In fact, they have more days off and restricted hours for Thanksgiving than they do for the Christmas period, unlike the Europeans and the UK, where we tend to close for a fortnight. In the US, there's only Christmas Day off, and then it's back to business as usual. And as Christmas is a Friday this year, the markets will resume as normal the following Monday, where they will be closed in the UK and Europe. So again, this week it's going to be a very difficult one. Today is the last full day of trading. Tomorrow is half day, Thursday close, Friday half day. So this is going to be the last market alert, or maybe tomorrow, for this week, because there is no point in chasing half-day thinly traded markets, that I can tell you. So just be warned. I'm not saying you can't trade. I'm just warning you that it can be difficult. It also, on the odd occasion, can actually be beneficial because of the lack of people in the market. It tends to take one direction and stay in that direction. So it's a very difficult one to call, and that's down to the individual trader on whether they want to sit and watch it. I mean, you can see from yesterday that the market was sideways, and it was like watching paint dry in the first half of the trading session. So the daily chart is reflecting this. You can see this narrow trading range inside bars, and also if we go back to the 5-minute chart and just have a look at the overnight, you can see how quiet it is. And again, this is because of the run up to the Thanksgiving holidays. On the news front today, we've got the preliminary GDP figures out at 1:30. They're forecast to be higher by a 0.5%. So it'll be interesting to see how that is taken by the market. Goods trade balance is out as well, and then consumer confidence is also out, and that's going to show forecast a higher figure as well. As we head towards Christmas, this tends to increase naturally, of course, because people actually buy goods for the holiday season, Christmas season, and also this starts from Friday as well. Black Friday, all of the insanity in the retail buying sector, which now has managed to work its way over to this side of the pond as well. So all the lunatics will be out trying to grab bargains as well. So just be warned. And in the advanced mode, let's just have a quick look at this as well. I'll just go to the 5-minute chart again. You can see the indecision. The buying kept coming in, and then it was sold into, and then eventually the buying managed to move the market higher, and then the same as the basic, the market headed to the downside there. So very quiet as well. Very frustrating range yesterday. 1 minute up, then down, waiting for news from the Fed that didn't materialize in the end. It's very strange, as I say. And then finally, on the implied volatility, 13.14 for yesterday, up slightly on the previous day at Friday session, and again that's reflected in the chart there. Right, that's it for me for this morning. I will see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert, and like I say, be prepared. It could be fairly quiet today, or it could be the last push before the Thanksgiving, so we'll have to wait and see how the market actually unfolds. Right, see you in tomorrow's. Have a great day, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.